what I heard about this test is that cells will most definitely be on this test. So I'm here to just tell you, like, to be honest, that there are prokaryotes and eukaryotes out there, okay? You sometimes have to steer clear of those prokaryotes, those one-celled organisms that think that they can just go and evolve super quickly and rule the universe. That's amazing for them, thanks. But I think the eukaryotes is where it's at. Eukaryotes, those are the more complex ones. Those are the plants and animal cells. They've got all the organelles. And let me tell you, plant cells, yeah, they've got a little bit more than we do. And it'd be nice, like the cell wall to support structure. That's amazing. So they've got that going. What else? Vacuoles. Yep. So their cells store water in these great big vacuoles. And then the chlorophyll thing, the chloroplast that holds the chlorophyll, amazing, amazing. Takes the sun's energy, super sustainable. Come on now, animal cells. That's what we're lacking. I wish that we could get it somehow. I don't know how. But anyway, yeah, the chlorophyll, you know, the whole photosynthesis thing, right? It takes the sun's light, comes in, it takes the water and breaks up the water. What does it do? Lets off oxygen. That's kind of nice. We need the oxygen. Takes in the carbon dioxide, right? We would love that for global climate change. And then, oh, the big one. Yeah, it makes us glucose. We need glucose. So we eat our food, we get the glucose. Yeah, it'd be nice to have those things. Anyway, what we do have in common with plant cells, we both have the nucleus, right? This great big nucleus that has like the DNA in there, and it like totally keeps the DNA in there because it's too big to leave. But it definitely needs to get its message out to tell the cell what kind of proteins to make. And those proteins are going to be things that are going to build your cells or try to fight infection, those kind of things. So it's super important. This message is important. So who's going to carry this message? It's mRNA, everybody's friend. And mRNA takes it out of the nucleus, goes and finds the ribosome, which is the protein factory, and then it makes its protein. The ribosome translates the protein, right? Yep. And so when I talked about mutations, yep, that's when it comes in. Are we going to translate this correctly? Did the messenger RNA do its job? I don't know. We'll find out. We'll find out. And then when it's all ready to be packaged and sent out of the cell, that complex cell, the Golgi apparatus, he's our FedEx, packages up, sends it out of the cell. Exocytosis needs energy from that ATP and the glucose from the plants.